G'day everyone, I'm Aaron from Low and Slow Basics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing pork belly burnt ends. So our pork belly's diced up into about 2-inch cubes, and we're going to season them in a couple of our favourite rubs. We're going to be using some pecan and apricot wood chunks from Natural Smoke today. So we'll get them seasoned up, and we'll get them on the smoker at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so the pork belly pieces are on. Our smoker's sitting nice and stable at about the 275 degree Fahrenheit mark. So we're going to come back in about an hour and a half, and once we're happy with the colour, we're going to wrap them up in a foil tray with a little bit of butter, honey, brown sugar, and maybe even a splash of beer. And then we're going to leave them until they get nice and tender at around that 200 degrees Fahrenheit internal mark. And then we're going to get them out, toss them in a really nice sauce, and then we're going to put them back on the grill for that sauce to set for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then they should be ready, so we'll come back then. Right, so these are done. They look and smell amazing. Let's see how they taste. Wow. It's just so tender. Just falling apart. And flavours are just outstanding. The savouriness from that dirty bird, the pecan, the apricot smoke, that is bloody sensational. I'll be doing that again for sure. So that's pretty well the end of the video. You gotta do them. They are just magical. Some of the best bits of barbecue you'll ever taste. So cheers for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.